Hey YouTube, as you can see, we're sitting out here in the truck relaxing a little bit after unloading and reloading at the warehouse. We're heading out on our next trip. Check out this 1915 Harley Davidson with his factory sidecar up here. Pretty good looking bike. Got that coming up in the episode. We also got us unloading at the warehouse. We did a little bit different format, a little bit shorter. Hopefully you like it. I also wanted to say thanks to all the new subscribers we've gotten lately. For everybody else out there kind of checking the channel out a little bit, you know, I'm going to continue to put bikes up. We got the auction coming up here in January. It's going to give us another little influx of older bikes coming up and some unique, good looking bike. So if you think we're doing a good enough job to earn your subscription, go ahead and hit that button down below and we'll try to keep improving and putting out good videos. All right, here we have a 1915 Harley Davidson with factory sidecar. The technology advanced rapidly at Harley Davidson during the 1909 to 1915 time frame. The company's first V-twin arrived in 1909, though it was taken off the market in 1910 to fix some bugs and reintroduced the next year. This was followed by a chain drive in one of the industry's first clutches in 1912. And a two-speed rear hub in 1914, which also saw the advent of floorboards and the step starter. For 1915, a proper three-speed transmission was offered, along with a magneto and electric lighting system incorporating a taillight that could be removed for use as a nighttime service light. Harley-Davidson's 61 cubic inch F-head V-twin, while not a true overhead valve design, was more advanced than the flathead engines that powered some competitors. Furthermore, the 1915 models gained an automatic oiler and larger intake valves, the latter helping to boost an output to 11 horsepower. That rating, by the way, was guaranteed by Harley-Davidson, the only motorcycle manufacturer to back its quoted power claims in writing. Seaman Body Company in Milwaukee made Harley sidecar bodies from 1914 until World War II. The sidecar here has a chassis built from 1 1/4 inch steel tubing and leaf springs. Bodies were formed from sheet metal, formed into a cowl shape and welded to 1/4 inch rod skeleton frames. Triple laminated hardwood floors were cut to size, primed, and baked. The bodies were hand spray painted. Seats were built up from wood bases, springs, and leather cover sewn on. Optional folding tops were available, and in 1914, a basic Harley-Davidson sidecar cost about $85.
She calls, I always see a sweet redemption. I will never let you down. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say it will. I'm calling your addictive brand. You say it will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. You say it will. I'm calling your addictive brand. You say it will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. Saw you rolling steady, took it kinda heavy. Baby, I'm a loving kind. Jaded loving hazard doesn't really matter. Baby, say you will be mine. Take my affection and my safe protection. I will always be